Welcome back to Archivefacts, the place where forgotten mysteries come alive. Today, we're traveling deep into the haunted forests of Poland to uncover one of World War II's most chilling legends, Hitler's lost gold train. Beneath the rolling hills near Wałbrzych, Poland, locals whisper of a Nazi train buried underground, a train filled with gold, jewels, and priceless art. According to legend, in 1945, as the war neared its end, Adolf Hitler ordered a secret train carrying stolen treasure from across Europe to be hidden deep inside a mountain tunnel. Once inside, both entrances were blown apart with explosives. No way in, no way out. Years later, villagers claim that on one foggy night, they saw a mysterious train slowly rolling into the woods. And moments later, a thunderous explosion shook the ground. Since then, the train has never been seen again. Then, in 2015, two explorers, Piotr and Andreas, announced a shocking discovery. Using ground-penetrating radar, they captured images of a long metallic structure buried 100 meters underground. The world went wild. Poland's military moved in, geologists began testing the area, and global news outlets broadcast the story non-stop. But the Polish government hesitated to dig. Experts feared the Nazis had planted explosives to protect the treasure. Historians confirmed that several Nazi treasure trains once existed. One, known as the Hungarian Gold Train, was captured by US forces in Austria, packed with looted gold, jewelry, and sacred relics. But the Polish gold train was never found. Some believe the hidden train holds the legendary Amber Room, a chamber made of gold and amber stolen from a Russian palace. Others think it could be Hitler's personal armored command train, a mobile fortress equipped with guns, maps, and war rooms. The radar scans seem to support that idea. Not just a train, but a steel monster sealed inside a mountain. Soon, the quiet town of Wałbrzych was swarming with tourists and reporters. Excavation began. The world waited to see history being unearthed. But when experts dug deeper, the shocking truth came out. The train detected underground wasn't metal at all, just layers of rock and minerals that had mimicked the shape of a train. The gold train had vanished once again into legend. Still, the mystery made Wałbrzych world famous. Within months, the city earned over $200 million from tourism. Hotels overflowed, souvenir shops sold miniature gold trains, and treasure hunters kept arriving from all over the world. Even in 2023, a new researcher claimed to have rediscovered the train. But once again, authorities dismissed it as rumor. Yet even today, private explorers still search those same forests, hoping to find the one train that could make them billionaires overnight. Because if this train is ever found, it could rewrite history itself. A vault of stolen gold, lost art, and the ghosts of a fallen empire, still waiting beneath the earth. This was the story of Hitler's lost gold train, one of the greatest unsolved mysteries of our time. If you enjoyed this deep dive, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Archive Facts, where the past never stays buried.